let's talk about how to make your mornings work for you. It's easy to fall into the trap of hitting snooze, scrolling through your phone, and feeling like you're playing catch-up from the moment your feet hit the floor. But what if you could take control of those first few hours, setting yourself up for a day where you're not just busy, but truly productive? 2. It's not about being a morning person. It's about building a system. These 7 steps are the keys to unlocking a morning routine that actually fuels you instead of draining you. It's a simple framework, but the discipline you apply here will pay dividends all day long. Think of your morning not as a race to get to the office, but as the foundation for everything you want to accomplish. Thus, the first step is about getting your mind right before your feet even touch the floor. That's why you need to avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes. Your phone is a portal to everyone else's priorities. It's emails from your boss, social media highlights, and a stream of news that can hijack your attention before you've even had a chance to think for yourself. When you wake up and immediately start scrolling, you're starting your day in a reactive state, letting the world dictate your mood and focus. Instead, give yourself a buffer. Leave your phone on the other side of the room. The initial moments of your day should be about you, your thoughts, your body, your peace. This simple act of separation gives you back your own mental space. Once you've given yourself that mental space, the second step is to hydrate and fuel your body. After a long night of sleep, your body is dehydrated. That groggy feeling isn't just about being tired. It's often a sign that you need water. Start your day with a big glass of water, maybe with a squeeze of lemon. This helps rehydrate your system and kickstarts your metabolism. Don't skip breakfast either. A protein-rich meal isn't just about feeling full. It stabilizes your blood sugar and gives your brain the fuel it needs to think clearly and make good decisions. You wouldn't try to drive a car with no gas, so don't expect your body to run on empty. With your body fueled, the third step is to get your blood flowing with some movement. This doesn't mean you have to go for a 10-mile run every morning. It could be as simple as a 5-minute stretching routine, some light yoga, or a quick walk around the block. The goal is to wake up your muscles and increase blood flow to your brain. This physical activity releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and reduce stress. It shakes off the last vestiges of sleep and signals to your body that it is time to be alert and active. Just a few minutes can make a world of difference in your energy levels and mental clarity. The fourth step is to clarify your top 3 priorities for the day. Don't just show up to the day and see what happens. Before you dive into emails or meetings, take a moment to write down the 3 most important things you need to get done. These should be tasks that move the needle forward, not just busy work. By identifying your key objectives, you create a roadmap for your day. This simple act of planning gives you a sense of purpose and helps you stay focused. When you hit a roadblock or get distracted, you can always refer back to your list and get back on track. It puts you in the driver's seat. Now that you know what's important, the 5th step is to tackle your hardest task first. This is the eat the frog principle. The frog is that one big ugly task that you're most likely to procrastinate on. Get it done while your willpower is at its highest. When you knock out your most challenging task early, you create a powerful sense of momentum and accomplishment that carries you through the rest of the day. All the other smaller tasks suddenly seem much more manageable. You've already won a major victory, and the day ahead feels less daunting. The 6th step is to create a dedicated, clutter-free workspace. It's hard to be productive when you're surrounded by chaos. A messy desk can lead to a messy mind. Take a few minutes to clear your workspace of anything you don't need for the tasks you're working on. Organize your papers, put away distractions, and make sure you have everything you need within reach. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating an environment that supports your focus and efficiency. A clean space signals to your brain that it's time to get to work. Finally, the 7th step is to take a moment to practice gratitude. This is the mental bookend to your productive morning. Before you get fully swept up in the day's demands, take a minute to acknowledge something you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a hot cup of coffee, the opportunity to work, or the people in your life. This practice shifts your perspective from one of lack to one of abundance. It helps you approach your tasks not as burdens, but as opportunities. Positive Mindset isn't just a feel-good idea. It's a powerful tool for resilience and productivity. It grounds you in the present and reminds you of the bigger picture, making all the effort worthwhile. A productive morning isn't just about doing more. It's about being more present, more intentional, and more in control of your day